Hey there, and welcome back to CompareInternet.com. We're here to give you the straight talk on the best internet deals. Today, we're going to review Wide Open West, also known as WOW, a popular regional provider in the Midwest and South. We'll go over availability, pricing, speeds, reliability, equipment, and customer experience. Let's start with availability. WOW is a smaller provider, but well-loved by its customers. WOW's largest network is in Michigan, but it also serves a number of states in the South. WOW delivers cable internet to customers who appear to be very satisfied. That's because WOW is doing a great job as an internet provider. So let's look at WOW's pricing. WOW has some unbelievably good prices, maybe even the best in the whole country. Their first tier currently starts at only $20 a month, and after a year, it only raises to $40. That's pretty low. And get this, right now, WOW offers 500 megabits per second internet speed for only $55 a month. That is an out-of-world deal, and that price does not increase. It's their standard price, not a promotion. While these current deals may change, WOW is known for great bargains. WOW does have data caps, but they are much more generous than the competition. Their first tier plans cap out at 1.5 terabytes, and the half gig plan has a 2.5 terabyte cap. That's a lot of data. And if you get the top 1 or 2 gig plan, you'll get unlimited data with it. So as long as you don't invite over 20 gamers to play at your house for a month, you should be fine with that data cap. And if you have the big gig plans, invite all the gamers you want. With these deals, we give WOW 4 stars for pricing. They're offering very affordable internet with great speed. Now, let's talk about reliability and performance. Like the other top cable internet providers, WOW uses a hybrid fiber coax cable, or HFC. That means you'll get great gigabit download speeds, but your upload speeds will be slower. But WOW's top upload speeds are still fast enough to support high-definition streaming, gaming, video conferencing, and large file uploads. So we award WOW 4 stars for strong reliability and performance. You can count on very fast, consistent internet service from WOW. Next up is equipment and installation. We really like it that all WOW plans come with a free self-installation kit. If you'd rather have a pro do it, you can pay $50 for a technician installation. If you want to use WOW's modem router combo, you can rent one for $14 a month. But you can also use your own equipment and avoid that fee. Just make sure it's compatible. With all these free options, we give WOW 4 stars for equipment and installation. This is a very customer-friendly provider. So let's go ahead and talk about customer support. Recently, in a major national survey of customer satisfaction, WOW outranked Cox. For a regional company to outrank a giant like Cox makes WOW the little company that could. We are so impressed. We award WOW 4 stars for customer experience and support. WOW will deliver you 24/7 telephone help, online chat, and an online portal to support of your account. Now, we'll finish with a recap of what you'll get with WOW. We give WOW a high overall rating of 4 stars. WOW customers are very satisfied with their industry-leading bargains on gigabit speeds. The only downside of WOW is that we wish their level of performance and service was more widely available. To see if WOW covers your area, visit our website at CompareInternet.com. We have detailed plans and prices to help you find the best internet provider for you. And that's the straight talk on WOW. Come back and see us for more reviews and info at CompareInternet.com. See you soon.